Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a little bit of a rant. They sell these at the store and they were pretty much useless to me because they don't go around the handle of my pantry. And I didn't think I had a special pantry door handle, but evidently I do. So I wanted to show you ladies a trick, or gents, whoever's watching this video, on a hack, because these ones don't work. I've tried to put it in the right way like this, and then I flipped it over because I was told that that can also work, but that's not the case in my case. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what I did and how you can prevent your children from getting into rooms that they're not supposed to. I don't know about how old they'll have to be in order for this not to no longer work for them, but it works for my 2-year-old. And if you just don't have the kind of money to pay for something like this, it might even be in your sock drawer. So let's jump right in. Come and open this. Come and open the door. Open the door. Open it. Please? You see how it slips? Impossible. Thank you for demonstrating, my child. So, this is literally one of those like little mesh socks. I will show y'all. It's literally one of these little socks. And I ripped it. You don't have to rip it, but I did because I didn't want the bulk. And I just put a rubber band around it, or a hair tie, whatever you have. And it's slippery, so they struggle to open it. I mean, for us, it's simple. I wanted to show you guys that this one just doesn't go around. Okay. So, this is how it's initially supposed to go in, and it's just much too big. I mean, if I even were to take this off, which I'm not because it took me a little bit to put it back on there and make it look nice. But, yeah, it just absolutely doesn't work. If I were to put it in this way or this way, the circumference of the neck on the handle is much too large. But I hope this helped you ladies or guys, and best of luck.